Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best travel adapters for Apple which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them based on quality, price, and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
There are travel adapters made to work with outlets in hundreds of countries around the world, but always manage to leave you fumbling around and trying to find the right adjustment, or plugging in your devices. And then there's the OREI travel plug adapter that works with exactly your destination, and always is ready to take your American plugs. Say goodbye to messy universal sockets and enjoy your stay, knowing that your valuable devices are charging safely from a grounded and surge-protected socket. Charge up to 3 devices at once via the input and dual USB outlets. Perfect for families and business travelers. The bright color ensures you won't forget it in your hotel room. And the compact, lightweight design makes it easy to pack. Save yourself the trouble the next time you travel, and bring the right adapter for your trip, not for a trip around the world. Choose between the 13 versions in our U2U series and be covered.
The most common reason for travel adapters breaking is too many moving parts. The more functions, the more things can break, get stuck, or get loose over time. The plug adapter set from OREI features USA inputs only, so you don't have to struggle with messy universal sockets or parts getting stuck in the wrong position. They come in a convenient 3-pack, so no one in the family has to fight over them. Each adapter accepts 2 inputs, charging up to 6 dual voltage devices in total. With one of the 13 different options, any destination will have convenient and safe grounded connections like at home. Save yourself the trouble of fumbling with universal sockets and bring a light and compact plug-and-go adapter set from OREI. Because vacation should be enjoyed with the family, not spent trying to fix your broken travel adapter. OREI. Travel more. Worry less.
Did you know that not all outlets give off the same voltage? It's true. In Europe and many other countries, wall outlets are 220 to 240 volts. In the US, the standard outlets are 110 to 120 volts. People who travel between voltage zones need to know if their devices can handle both voltages or if a transformer is needed. You can do this by checking the device's label. Look first for a number or range of numbers in front of a V that's preceded by the word input. If you see just a single number, like 110V or 220V, your device can only handle the outlets from that specific voltage. If you see a range of numbers like 110V to 240V, then your device can handle outlets from countries all over the world, and it's considered dual voltage. With dual voltage devices, you can pack just your Ceptics travel adapter and know that you're set for the trip. All cell phones, chargers for iPhones, Galaxies, iPads, and most tablets or laptop chargers are rated dual voltage for worldwide use. Kitchen appliances such as mixers, grinders, blenders, hair dryers, straighteners, or curling irons are typically single voltage only. Always check the voltage rating on the device before plugging them in abroad. Single voltage devices, however, require both a travel adapter and a voltage converter or transformer.
We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.